Measuring an angle or a distance on Photoshop is really simple. Go to the tools, then click on here, hold your left mouse key and then select the ruler tool. Then left click and drag to create a line to your first point or first line. As soon as you do that, it gives you the distance in here, as you can see, the distance of L1. And now to measure the angle, you need to hold the Alt key. You can see when I move the cursor near to this first point, an angle sign appears. Now click and drag your mouse over it so we can create now second line. Leave your left mouse key, and now we created two lines to measure the angle, and the angle is 127 degrees, and this is this angle from this side. So if you subtract 360 from 127, you will get this red angle.